The crypto market is down bad, but don't worry, this is the perfect time to accumulate assets and build your wealth. There are still a lot of hidden gems on the market, having the potential to blow up in the next bull run. And while most of these assets are a stable investment, some can be a gamble. Keep watching this video as we tell you about some coins that can make you rich this year. First up, the obvious choice. If you're still reluctant to buy Bitcoin right now, then crypto obviously isn't for you. BTC, aka digital gold, which was once trading at a peak of almost $70,000, is on a mega sale right now, available for only $20,000. And there's one mistake people tend to make when it comes to Bitcoin. You don't have to buy an entire coin. Just keep buying a little at a time, and you'll eventually have enough to make a good profit when the price rises again. Anyway, Bitcoin is the king of the market, and everyone knows that. So not having this game-changing asset in your portfolio is perhaps the biggest mistake an investor can make this year. Experts also have a mixed opinion, but this is perhaps the only time we've been happy with such a divided view on how Bitcoin will perform this year. Conservative estimates place Bitcoin anywhere from $100,000 to $150,000 by the end of this year. But when it comes to those really bullish investors who literally live and breathe cryptocurrencies, they think Bitcoin will even cross $200,000 by the end of 2022. And even if we put all that bullish speculation aside, Bitcoin has gone through a really significant correction recently. Profit seekers have pulled out, and institutional investors have also had to sell their holdings to stay afloat amidst the terrible crash. What that basically means is that the price is no longer inflated. It's where it should be, and the only way from here is up. As soon as the market shows a bit more stability, those really big whales will start to pour their money into Bitcoin, driving its price up to possibly a new all-time high. So don't worry about not being able to buy an entire Bitcoin. Keep stocking up, and eventually you'll have a really strong position in the market. Next, it's about the quantity. Now this might surprise some of you, but believe it or not, we still think Cardano is a really solid investment. Some of you might call this a gamble, since ADA is already being deemed as a stablecoin now, and not to forget how people think it's already reached its potential and can't go any further. All that is fine, but isn't that a good thing considering what it's valued at right now? Like, even if it does go back to its original level without breaking the all-time high, it's still going to make you crazy rich. If you were to invest $1,000 in ADA right now, you'd get about 2,100 coins for your money. And let's entertain the "it'll never break its all-time high" argument. It doesn't need to break it. If it goes back to $3.10 per coin, your $1,000 investment will be worth $6,500, a profit of $5,500. That's why we're so obsessed with this coin. And it isn't even like the coin is useless or something. The technology behind it is just amazing. Anyway, experts continue to present a very strong case for this asset because of its low footprint. It takes much less energy to complete a transaction as compared to coins like Bitcoin or Ethereum. And we've also heard some plans of launching an incubator program in Africa to target that vast, unexplored economy. Things are only looking good from here, ladies and gentlemen. And this is only $1,000 we're talking about. Imagine if you invested $2,000 or maybe $3,000, a profit of over $10,000. Let's talk about something guaranteed. In 2021, the global crypto adoption rate was only 3.9%. Can you believe that? Only 3.9%, and the market cap was already around $3 trillion. So imagine what will happen when adoption continues to increase year after year. Experts estimate that by 2030, crypto adoption will reach a high of 10%, meaning 10% of the world's population will be invested in cryptocurrencies. But just how will they access these currencies? Simple. They'll use the biggest crypto exchange in the world, Binance. And since the growth of BNB depends on the growth of the platform, it's only natural for the coin to increase in terms of value and market cap in the coming years. As more and more people start to use Binance, BNB will automatically increase in value. And that's because the platform will be growing. It's almost like a guaranteed return if you ask us. Unless crypto gets shut down forever or something, BNB will easily cross the $1,000 mark in the coming years. And that isn't too far considering it's already touched peaks of $600. This is a coin you do not want to miss. Up next, taking a risk. If you're looking to hit a home run and have an appetite for risk, Shiba Inu is the currency for you. The best thing about this token is that it's a proven wealth creator. When it first arrived on the scene, most of the crypto world was skeptical, calling it nothing but a Bitcoin. But after seeing how it literally changed the life of some early adopters by making them millions in profit, people soon began to throw their money into the token. One investor even managed to make more than $1 billion in profit after investing about $8,000 when no one had heard of Shiba Inu. Anyway, SHIB has the potential to blow up your gains. And in case you were wondering, this is probably the best time to enter the market. The Millionaire maker is trading at a humble 0.000012 right now, so you can stack up a lot with an investment of, let's say, $1,000. But again, you just have to weigh out the risks. Would you rather invest in a safer coin like ADA and make a few thousand in profit, or do you want to make a lot of money with Shiba Inu? It all depends on how much you're willing to risk. Anyway, Shiba has shown an all-time high in the 0.000080 region, but experts expect it to climb even further in the next bull run. And the best part about this token is its burn mechanism, not to mention its expansion into the metaverse and NFT space as well. So it's also possible the coin might lose its coin status, but who cares as long as it's making people money. And now time for the doubler. We like to call Polygon Matic the doubler, and that's because this coin has always doubled our investment. Now, what we're about to tell you is both a good thing and a bad thing about the coin. Let's start with the pattern first. Matic exhibits a very consistent pattern. It starts rallying at around $1 and goes up to 2.5 or 2.8 before people dump it to take profits. This is a bad thing because it stops the coin from breaking its all-time high. But it's also good because you get to double your investment every single time. But it isn't a big game like SHIB or ADA. If you put $1,000 in Matic, you can expect to get about $2,000 or $2,500 at best before everyone starts to dump. Still, experts claim that everyday investors should enjoy the benefits of this consistent pattern and continue on doubling up their investments to then purchase assets like Bitcoin and Ethereum. Finally, a worthy competitor. Forget about price for a second. Can you think of a coin which can potentially revolutionize crypto as we know it? Hint, it's called the #1 competitor of Ethereum. If you guessed Solana, then you're absolutely correct. Solana is the gem of the market. And not only is it dirt cheap right now, but it has so much future usage that we don't even know where to start. Let's put it this way. In terms of usage, Solana is unmatchable. For starters, Sol experienced a massive boom in 2021 because of its low cost and energy efficient transactions in the NFT and DeFi space. And since both these industries are expected to grow exponentially in the coming years, you best believe Sol is going to continue to grow as well. That's exactly why experts believe this coin has so much potential. Now the network has been purged with multiple claims of centralization, but even that problem will fade away once the validator's network grows. Even though Solana has taken a pretty bad plunge from grace during the most recent market crash, the potential is still there. It's a special coin since it's not only good for short-term profits, but it'll also help you buy your favorite house or car in the coming years. That's it from our side, folks. So what do you think? Which coin will blow up by the end of this year? And did we miss out on a digital gem in this video? Let us know in the comments below. Remember, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more exciting videos in the future. Thanks for watching and see you next time.